Oh, saseni wadau. This is a new episode. Tumewaleta kwa farm tena. I think nikiangalia watch yangu sahii ni saa 5:14 usiku. So hapa ni kwa farm. Hawa ni chicks, layer ends. They are 6 weeks old. They turned 6 yesterday, that was on Thursday. Leo ni Friday. So hawa ni 210 birds. 210 birds, I think ukiangalia bado wana feed kwa hizo ziko chini before they're taken to the cages. So this is how it starts and this is how it goes. I am sorry I didn't post the videos when they were day old, but at least I'll share the pictures with you guys. So kulea kuku, it's one kind of a job that needs a lot of your time. That's why what I advise anybody who wants to get in these projects, you need to have time. Leave alone that you are in Nairobi and you want to do these things in Ushago, you just make phone calls. It will be very hard. Like sahini saa 5, we came to check up on them if they are fine, because hii ndio time unapata like ukiamuka kuku wengine wamekufa because of hizo. Like if you can check on these ones, unaona venye wamelala hapa, so unapata like wanaweza lala hivyo until they suffocate and they die. So this is one thing that you need to give it your time. You need to come check up on them moso kama bado ni wadogo hivi. Like if you can check on this one venye wako hivi. So I think advice tunaweza patiana is, if you want to get in this project, after time, at least even if you're working in the urban areas, at least twice a week you need to be going to the farm to check on how your ends, how your projects is doing. So what this is called a deep litter system that we're using here. Deep litter system ni ya kuweka hizi vitu, hizi maganda za naitwa dust, sawdust, mura in our local language. So you can check on them. So hii ni kazi ndio imeanza but tunaendelea. So tunaweza advise, if you want to start up this project, you can link up with us because we are offering farm extensions also. The farm extension means tunakuja kwa farm, we advise you on what to do, how it goes, how you get the chicks from day old, how you vaccinate them and everything. Thank you guys for again watching this. As a norm, subscribe to our page, follow us on TikTok, Modesta Regan, Facebook page, Modesta Investments, YouTube, Modesta Talks. So you'll be getting new posts every day. You subscribe, you like, you share, then you turn on the notification button. At least kama kuna new episode, you get. We have our contact information in our videos, so you can always follow us. At least ujue hii kitu inaendeleaje, what do you need to do, unafaa kuamka saa ngapi usiku, unafaa kulala saa ngapi, unafaa kuwalisha aje. Like you can check these things. Wanakula 24 hours. Sahii ni saa 5 almost, inaelekea saa 6 usiku, but you look at them, wanakula. So and this is their drinker, and check wanakunywa maji, though wamechafua kidogo, but it's okay. That one will be worked on in the morning. So thank you guys for watching this one. Seme asanteni.